Ebusianfo aha Ghana Asem TV GH. Mesrel, like, comment, subscribing, turn your notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded immediately. Ebusianfo, say who bapa na ubabek share when you make a say, mommy, daddy, I love NDC. Akola no fa no kwa sorry na eko born deliverance. Yeah. Fanuka sorry na eko born deliverance tentem. Because NDC no. I say, BB was a party nema. Once you join, you lose your sense of reasoning. Sorry if I might sound harsh. But I no kre. Who say na NDC for your madie? Omo grassroots especially. Who say na omo kasa emu no. Any to trust emu a oya omo de no. I say BB or party name. I say Kes be or party no so. Nukre. Because most of the time, it does not make any sense. Can you imagine, say, NDC lady be it me be anuka say, she prefers a sanitary pad to digitalization that Baumia was running. Ebusianfo. You prefer sanitary pad to the fact say utimi send this car from MTN to Vodafone, utimi send this car from MTN to your bank account, utimi send this car from your bank account to your mobile money wallet. You prefer sanitary pad to that. You prefer sanitary pad to the fact say you have a national identification card, Ghana card. Out me edi identify on out me link you nyamatu. You prefer sanitary pad. You prefer sanitary pad to the fact say first now any locations address for any location. Yeah, uko bibia bisa say house number. House number na also bibi ade o trimuno abo. And everywhere you are, you can generate the address using Ghana Post service or app now. You prefer sanitary pad to that. Now ye can crofobiti say yatitimu. Mu from who journalist. Or mu crowd ye he say will be our seminemu. Yatitinu. Enti sancrophone ebanu say na omu ye den etimenya chance juma TV station radio station na. No, Mr. Tame, me sure mo ameju wa me ntiase. Say yati titimenya appointment oye juma or radio station TV station. No wonder obi ka say Cecilia obia Ghana de obia wetime a journalist. When you answer we school. All you need is a good voice. When you have a nice voice, you have a nice face, and you can shout or you can sweat under air condition like the way Captain Smart mo sweating. You qualify to be a show host at Ghana. No research. Now, even if you are a show host and also a journalist, now or party affiliation, it does not take away common sense from your head. Being a member of a political party does not take away your sense of reasoning. But I say, they have sold their sense of reasoning, they have sold common sense, they have sold their soul, they have sold their spirit, and I don't know if they are selling their body or not. Politics let politics be attractive a little bit. You people NDC for you are always bringing things that do not inspire. You are even making MPP politicians lazy because you are not giving any competition to MPP. Because when you go and meet NDC new shows, ni reasoning, ni analysis, a far left. And sometimes crowding MPP now, but Oko radio station, you don't even need to do research again. Because it's a tibon koso for no NDC besendi. Kofo amunim shi. They will come and say about papa ba kwen and no. And time make I say, if you give birth, now will buy share when you catch your say, Daddy, me NDC ni. And I say usuma uba course university. Oba first semester be catch say daddy makwa join anything. Ebe ya china sum kakra. Because sa party no. My papa bia every mumbo. Ma mushe. O ma baba 1 year 3 months ni. Obia eco strike. Aden. They say training colleges or tutors. It was eco strike. Civil servants, any local government workers, Omako strike. Nurses, Ako strike Aba. Almost everybody. Railway workers, Eco strike. Ade. Sankrofono Omuna Mosai. Say na yatiti. We na say cry no radio good for cry who said debi adeni enko ya omukasa. We yatiti there. Ya utiti se konko. Yatiti no, me there, yeah, me a gentle, me I'm not harsh. But when kwande yatiti me see utiti se konko. Right? You people demonize Akufo-Addo. You never saw anything good in Akufo-Addo. You did everything possible for 6 million Ghanaians to go and vote for NDC. Now the country has taken a dive. And you will not even be humble to come and eat a humble pie and accept, say, we made a mistake, we misled you, forgive us. You are still defending. Who did say Konko? Let's go and listen to this nice and interesting conversation. But before then, a person in MBA studio, total cost near 25,000 Ghana cedis. Would you call dollars somewhere $2,300 US thereabout? It was for on this file. We can't do it on our own. But a boy a party also. Right? Adia no party no obi amaya hwe a voluntary work na ye. Right? And ye boy ye here your help. Number no screen I say anything you have. Help us with it. And I'm going to say, I'm going to be conform or sati or museni so. And I'm going to say, conform my promises or museni so. And I'm going to say, I remind him, why? Conform my pledge. We didn't sorry pledge. Uma pledge you first can buy a pamucho. Wow, I promise you, Biano, can they redeem it? And let's open this quickly and bring you top notch analysis more than what you are even experiencing now at Ghana Sems TVG. So now let's go and listen to the conversation. Don't go anywhere.
Kosi 2028. Someone who say, Sabe Kafra, Yay Akamfo, Yesu Bain, the dear baby, baby. Boys, Mammy can feel her. Yay Akamfo, Yahoo, ya, ye bre. The person me can see a chain way, and then away you can see a chain me. Instead of say, ye be who say, even on Yankupon crowd body mono, or my baby ye can see a chain baby. Or simi na me bo si kani na me bo hieni. Na me bo do to me nante, any do to me nante. No Yankupon se busa yen say, so or make it be crooked. Why in the bit me yes I any straight. I can for yen share way. And none that they are baby. Ye can't NDC for ya me info. Found that jelly. Yoko garikwa na de ka. Na odi yoko garika. One any yera drop na watching chim se aboswon. O how are ye timming in on okofa ba ye dinti and nibre ahoya or time. I can for na ye. I can phone in Ayakesefo, Nemo, no refu who say, no kubusaman. Sad then I can for you, my ye. Na ye dear, ya mobo, ye ya mobo, ya nananum. If it is Tene fi baby or woman feet, no manante, no ma control, na o ma dream would daho. Na ye nananum, no more shishe, and sana kwesiko could by ye, a bibrim ha. Abeshia ya nananum na ya nananum de no mo hihye mra say aban bi na edi wo mo so na so ya nananum hihye mra e boy ye ho ban echichiri o man na nsana okay don't below akwesi kokko ba ayi voice me pa chodo da shuru he pa ne do da from me to me na ma me na ma me ayi Na instead say ye be hu ye ho se yenya sa asimu na nodode wo hwe obi firi bole a ono ni kuro mu nkuto ane dawa ene wo John Mahama kuro mu na ka gold de wo de ye de uhu gold da ben na so se mo hu musuban akamfo yenti ena ye gold ye nananom na nakufo ato ba fi ye nananom mreso ebi ni ho na wo tumi bebo brapa covid di ode be ye ni wiase ne ko doctor this nyansa kese ba se da bi mama yempe bibi mu ye chinka kranka na de nso wo ya saase mu se ne be ye da bi be so no na Ghana ye gina ye na so e ba ne sen ho ya sa enibri ya etijeli mu a wodi be kunkrofo papa no me nananom ka ho companies be guye be bo abusua to no eno na ete John Mahama mu womu di eye o womu ni bi na womu asase mu hwi ni ho no womu mu si Ghana dodode ne yemfama omu no mu ni a me nua no maka fa he wo ba kwase bi wo video kira me respondo na this week my busy wo si den Ghana fo nya jomo che na MPP fo nya kasa na John Mahama nua to play ye den Ibrahim betimi ato oba wo fuse wonim se ayi preko oba fu
Mwana kan za asem no
ayi wo de voice ma hwe central ni baby kwasi aba wo ti console nanim ma hwe ni din kura comparison say ye Gabi Ochre da ko no koto play na Gabi Ochre da ko abobra be Gabi Ochre da ko abobra so we jimi na wonim akona ko reading in nananom kona ko hwe ne nananom background Gabi Ochre da ko wabobra ode ne nsa ye adwuma na ye busam Ibrahim Mahama no late 90s ya na nya London anote na nya micham note onye sika da ben womu ko no mnim kwan wo fa so a o da ye papa Atamios may you rest in peace wo do hawa brega na papa Rollins se dan kaso ye nipa boni ni busie ni ka kire wo se enkofa ko awe na minimo mo ya akoromfo ye nipa bonefo na me kura me no problem wentie Atamios nti do de di wo no wo se fata so de di if isenya wo a ka John Mahama we o me yo bonsam se meto ye so na wo sa baba wa we bebusa na wo busa na nkobusa se Ibrahim Mahama no nya skafri no nya skada ben o man ko pani ku fo ba 2000 kwa mon ko hwe se na adwuma ben no sole a oninam ne na mo man pani ku fo ho na die na no mo wo ye suma ni ye so nkoto play mra a wono no sese ato ne so baako government official one ewiase nyina Britain ha ne din ba Sun newspaper mu odamu gbanyan yes akromfu a ekototo plane we a omunkuro sika inflate prices koye deals no na John Mahama kan enye se scan na mo start here wo Atamios wo bebie wa no se yenko investigate enye se na real say enne wedi kan enti mo mehye ye bufuo mo mekika nkwase asem mfa nkyere yen so onua ne ye billionaire oye billionaire mutiri so oye billionaire ma pampa so wo mu fie no ye hiafo na ntwe mu no moka na ne many anoma kamfo bi singi praises adanya woni passe samo dwapade sei asesam mpempna de niama sei afa wo minor de wono betena so pen na dwene enye adwuma wo hunyansa mfa gold reserve ni bi ehu na mu ye mpenimfo timi ba ye be hia wo ha hunyansa se da bi mama ye mo brase mfen to Ghana ho ne starting building a foundation ne bedu baby you put systems in place ne anya gold reserves a bo mine chidom yakoka mo si jack mo bu bottom na mo Ghana ho nsentrofo no bi kwasiafo a mu leader ne captain smart aboa obonsamba na nano ne papa be gyan te se koliko ne maame te se aboso ne maame te se niema ya prapra koto ogo sa captain smart we na Ghanaian youth mkodi nachi na okachi am se munyina mkoto abama John Mahama te bonkoso John Mahama media drobe hypnotize Ghanaians. John Mahama me baby ni pabewu. John Mahama oba mani ni ministers any abemon penifo dani kawuro. John Mahama no ubetumi na. John Mahama utumi kase yebe first security service personnel na Ghana yadehye mebunu nwochi kwahwere wo mokra John Mahama no na mo ye ka che ha Lodina wone wo ma ukunu ya brabo a wabebo no se Lodina woni mo wu ahwe na hwe Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ma obi ti wo mudin na wodi e be chen woni wo ma ayakayaka dia wuti wo hwe na ukunu faga na dwapade say there's no tomorrow na wo hwe ne se won sesa ne nyina na mo build na dachi mu ni ye ka kire mo mo beti moni no na ni nyina ahwere mo eni de Kwame Nkrumah ankoye wo Egypt gold reservoir ene ye ka ho asem so bi wia no Kwame Nkrumah na di kan won no sesa ye gold bars nyina ni okoto begu ho no chiemu no di fanko go Egypt ma fatia ene kosi sen ne mane na ne nam hon gold no omo di asra na ye koka na Captain Smart aboa we kana man bi ba preko we gina TV so say so bia akwakoto ma aba ma MPP no wo ya aboa na wa campaigning this kind of idea ni yefunu nti NDC me for man Ghana no money to John Mahama me for billions no only 1 million no chicha ma wom no mo say because MPP aban de be o me chicha mamo o de bebo man na ho bra o de be hwe nyanka ni si amobro wa o de asha say de be build the hospitals na nurses nyemo dwuma ye de bi asisi school adan ye de bi aye akwan na ye de bi abo man na ho bra mo man na gina ye kan sem trofo nkwasiafo bi say yo ene gina simpie so ba fun bi nso asha go wo de voice ma ka me kwa kwahwehwe mesene abro okay me kwa kwahwehwe video no ma sene abro no ma be react because nyame bo weekend nyame de nkwane hode ncha ye nyina be ye ho adwuma ene Ghana for how far ene John Mahama hwe yenim no de ye nsase ye wura ye hwenim no wa twi na uka aje ya so wabodam ada na uka aje ka wano tum ne nyina afiri he ne nyina afiri ya akamfo nyina ye wo Ghana akamemu nyina ye mbaw ye head in shame ye nipa bonefo ye nimguasefo ye ya mem ye pesem nkumenya ena di abedu ha na ka ye nam hwe ye nsase na essay no yensu wa na essay no ye mebunu ne say kidneys over 4 million and then me say this week me tell asem no voice me hu to me Ghana, over 4 million people have kidney diseases na ye fa he ye bedu ha ni nyina fi mu asase mu o manya bi adi God do not to the milka na John Mahama therefore ya want to me outside the box or coffee and fan for at the bar Ghana so mo baba ye youth mind and not theatre sadane galamseno me say any na sase boni so wo mu krom ho bore ho no enye ho na ye to galamseno enti ene galamsena ha ade yale amane bre Ghanaian youth no. And that voice and some read if me can we what kind of conversation I have with ya the better I cancel unite. What kind that faithful day?
Yeah.
What kind that faithful day? So same way. And I make yeah, me catch ya musaka for me and more your musra. Mo say mama day, what can some? And ya come for me and kind mummy and tiku. That faithful the world platform so. So what kaya catch him some mama day me kai?
Oh me kai.
Me catch ya mo say. Ade na ekoso na ye mu adodode ye nya nina ye mpanimfo ni bi ni ahemfo no mu bi ensiti aponhwe nyansa se da bi ne ekoyi kutia yen na moma ye ma ye nina ho no na daachi ye mebunu akaman ya sase ye nsu se ya hwe ye ho so ye beye mobo enne wo kwabrane akoto plane wasi ni nua na ato wa bobra John Mahama uyo ni brefo wani bria de na wudidi wo ye fuduan wo ye tekrema didi a wo me John Mahama wo ye dufuru pe ba wo ba wa ma ye hwiu eni bria wo te se wo kwabrane ebo bra papa ki gold egu ho no wo si gold ni de me pe enna ye nua voter abeka no yes if gold no kra de aka me say asem we me kan da ye te say yes 18 tons of me busa mo say enya na hefo na bekọ akohwa ama yen say other 18 ni gu ho ana I don't trust this.
Mama yes. The last time me can say for the investigation that we have done 10 tons grand free ko imun koi 10 tons grand refinery for 10 tons ko bias na other 8 na kano and that's all they for 18 na free mu e wo he e wo krum ya wo mo na ato enti now no e mo pentama beton because mo say crisis no say e body na etiso so tia o mato aboka now no so we turn 5,500 as at over 3,500 2,000 difference
yeah share
me pa cho na say gold e kosoro ayenton
na da bi obi kusa asem me ba o bro me flow me ba sa wo gold na wo dollars 7 sanwam me busa wo gold nie dollar nie de wa na ope
ipe gold
what the dollar say the dollar you sika what the
dollar no mama de dollar no osako subsidize dollar no from bank meanwhile dollar no we are seeing now all countries are benefiting and Ghana osade Ghana sika if we Bank of Ghana 10 billion plus I could subsidize dollar no once also too good no what's that 20 good na reserve na be say $1 now and now no last time I can say a back crisis say dollar no say speed so dollar ni mo any we are to koye kosu ya sister I'm telling you today by June we are hitting $20 plus by June. By analysis, we are hitting $20 plus by June.
Mama me das pass or bemuba de be before me so me da wase. Na ye catch am say Ghana for mon tie John Mahama no nye ni papa. Onipa obi ye ne papa. Be fa the running mate papa ni wuye petri wu prekope. O mampani mu anote akonya so yenkohwe a o mampani ni da women's ward maternity ward ye nwane sakoko wo fa wani hwe saade we obi aya o papa se be ye me running mate wo ye nani munkum so munkum nipa bone ni adwen bone mo sori am so ye Christian na Assemblies of God for mo twetwe ayaso sa wingam na wanim tanta wanim sa bua bi no next time brana be kan kwase asem wo Ghana ho se yen Ghana fo ma yen tu ye tam mfa nche wingam jimi fo na so
da botre oda botre na
a voice me ma so penny o me din kwase asem sa osofo mua ete platforms sha sorry mase mo bia to aba MPP abra mo me kan kire do se kwase aso ye kwase ya nyame asem na oso ye nyame nipa no we ka ho bi nyankopon soma ne se wo mebo sa abra weni yefunu nti John Mahama baaye no e de asem na winga mo be ka kire wo se wa John Mahama ma ni sika ama ne si nsole dan ko edu wingam enye san nsole dan no any guest houses na John Mahama si aka ho amamo no enye no na be yo muhwio eye read Songs of Solomon vanity upon vanity Solomon yankopon hira no wonye wiase niama mebu ne so na Solomon hu de ode be because nyame ibusa no wansre ewiase niama ne mo sre nyansa no yankopon so wobusa nyansa mi de aka nyina aka ho na so Solomon ani ba ne ho so no se mani aba me ho so na vanity upon vanity, all is vanity. Solomon said, if we are seeing your my opinion, I am found caution. Enti, a hunting fast so ni pardon, but we are seeing him. Also for moi, what do you want to your friend so? Your farmer to board so. Lady did not go to your my so for gold that winga by hena wufi wudin winga me kwa me se me hu ba bia wufi wo ye die ni wasa asim gold wo ho wasa onyame be busam Ghana sofo BBC ye hu Nyankopon obeti mo so atwia nipa boni sem ne mo yefunu ene akese sem ne V8 amobedam ama hiafo mebi tin kompenten ama mo broni bi esu ama kokko akuafo me ye kokko akue ni na eti ni suo Onyankopon chia mo ka mo sa sofo we se ne mama kokko pharmacy isu onyame ontua mo ka enti me the voice say na me ka akosi ni say hey NDC youth muntaka wamfamo Mr. Wenku ade me support muntaka but me the advice be nso beba mo ye MPP for ye ba enipa dwemu hwehwe yale de ye wo munyina mo kofa fo mo madwane MPP na doctor ba beba mo nim de se mo hu ne mole mo la ya mo muntaka sa mo boda muntaka se munim nyansa kwa kambo hu se mo jimi o se onfamo Osemumu bi sumanya ace. Yes. Enti me na se samu sankwase afo we emegu ye security services mu na mo mesai wo man no ti ahade be ni mu ntaka ya.
Okay.
En samu me buofo nyumre too much. Ma me fama no se no bi me mesamba.
Okay.